In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up bills that repeat automatically so you can save time and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's start by getting to the right place in QuickBooks. From your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which is your settings menu. In that menu, find and select Recurring Transactions. This is the control center for everything that repeats automatically in your account, including the recurring bills we're about to set up. Once you're on the Recurring Transactions page, look for the New button, usually near the top right. Click that, and in the Transaction Type dropdown, choose Bill. This tells QuickBooks that you want to build a template for a bill that will repeat over time. Next, you'll choose the type of template you want to use. You'll see three options. Scheduled means QuickBooks will automatically create the bill for you based on the schedule you define. This is ideal for regular expenses like rent, subscriptions, or utilities. Reminder will not create the bill automatically, but it will alert you when it's time so you can review and create it yourself. Unscheduled simply saves all your bill details as a template that you can use whenever you need it, without any automatic timing. After you pick the template type, it's time to enter the template details. Start with a clear template name, something descriptive so you can recognize it later, like office rent, monthly, or software subscription. Then set the interval, which controls how often this bill recurs. You can choose options such as weekly, monthly, or annually, depending on your agreement with the vendor. Choose a start date, which is when you want QuickBooks to begin using this template. For the end date, you can either set a final date, limit it to a set number of occurrences, or choose no end so it continues indefinitely. Now fill in the bill information. Select the vendor from your list and set the payment terms, such as net 30, so your due dates are calculated correctly. Enter the account you want to post this expense to, add a description that clearly explains what the bill is for, and type in the amount. If the bill should be passed on to a client, check the billable option and select the appropriate customer so you can invoice them later. You can also attach supporting documents like contracts or statements and add memos for internal notes or extra context. When everything looks accurate, click Save Template. If you chose a scheduled template, QuickBooks will now generate those bills automatically based on the schedule you set. If you chose a reminder or unscheduled template, you'll find it listed under Recurring Transactions whenever you need to create a bill from it.